Hello, hello. I am Carla Valentina Bermeo. I come to display my task number 1 is the random question. My random question is, what is your dream job? Okay. This question is kept interesting and curious its answer because it has been frustrated dream since I 7 years old. I play to be a doctor with my friends, and I always had the mentality helping dogs and people in need. In this case, I focus more on what I like it the most as a child in my dream. In this case, I focus more on what I like the most as a child in my dream. With what to be a doctor plastic surgeon to help those people who do not want a physical aspect of their body to love themselves and fix the little problem to improve their safety with plastic surgery. Nowadays we lose much of the superficial without understanding that there are people who have problems with their physical and some common can damage your life due to body dysmorphia and genetics. Then eating behavior problems are now very normal in girls from 14 to 18 years old. This can affect a healthy development, and the most appropriate is go to their therapy, because all people are beautiful regardless of the comments of others. My dream job would be to be a plastic surgeon gynecologist to better treat my patients, give them to understand that nothing is solved by stopping eating that only affects the body and generates the foster. Sometimes you can lose hair, teeth, every time depends on the point of the view we had of each person. So I invited you now to critique other people's body because we don't know the problems that each person has. I'm against surgeries, all if it's to increase it to the security of the person. Thank you for the pay attention.